Greetings everyone. Welcome to another episode of T Gresh Realty. Today we will be exploring some Mattamy townhomes. Pictured here you will find the Adriana floor plan. This floor plan is very nicely thought out. It is a floor plan that does consist of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and approximately 1,681 square feet of space with a single car garage. If this is something that you would be interested in, please feel free to reach out to 980-428-2333. This townhome community has been undergoing construction for quite a while now, and they are selling out just as everything else in Charlotte is selling out. If you are looking to be in Charlotte, this is a great location for you. Another thing that I wanted to speak about in this video is the fact that if you're thinking about leasing, or if you're currently in a lease and you want to get out of your lease, it might not be a bad idea to consider a townhome community. I know a lot of times people want to go for the gusto for their new home purchase, but sometimes that is just not reality. And let me tell you why it makes logical and financial sense to get a townhome. The reason that I would go from an apartment to a townhome, or even a condo for that matter, is because you have the right of ownership within your property. What does this mean? This means that you are actually building up equity each time you make your mortgage payment. Imagine putting money into the bank each time you make your mortgage payment. Well, this is what a mortgage does for you when you have ownership in a property versus when you lease. Every time you make your payment, you will never get that money back. You will never see that money again. The money is gone after you make the payment. However, because of the fact that you have purchased, you have a right to sell your property and get more than what you paid for it. Also, you have the right to rent out your property, okay? And that is basically contingent upon the bylaws, covenants, and restrictions of your HOA community. Normally in a townhouse community, you will have an HOA, just like in a condo community, you will have an HOA. Many of these new subdivisions today does require an HOA community. However, if you're in an apartment living, it is not that far off from going under the constrictions of the management company's rules. Another great thing about having a townhome versus renting an apartment is the fact that you do have your own parking spaces. You're not fighting over numbered spaces, hopefully. You do have many more much more leverage, I will say, and just a little bit more flexibility in how you choose to live your life. You don't have to worry about the management team coming in. You don't have to worry about them coming in to the premises while you're not there, checking the property. You actually have more privacy. And the financial aspects of it is the greater reason why I would recommend anyone to start purchasing over leasing. If you want to know more about the lease to purchase program, please hit me up 980-428-2333. This has been a tour with your real estate queen, T Gresh Realty, signing out. Stay blessed.